Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to play with friends on Fortnite Lego. So today I'll be showing you how to play with your friends on Fortnite Lego. So today you need to go here on the Fortnite Lego and click on that. Then invite your friend if you have one. For example, me, I don't have a friend, so let's invite him. If he joins, actually he didn't join. So there you go. If you have a friend, he will join right here, and you will need to make a world. For example, right, I'm gonna make a world. Create the new world slot. There we go. Then pick your world. I'll make it sandbox. Enemies difficult. Stamina on. Try friendly damage is on that. There you go. I think that's all good. On click the map. I want this one. This one's start. Then when you start it, then click OK. It's creating the world. Wait for it. Matchmaking. And here we are. Fortnite Lego. There you go. If you have a friend, able to play with him. For example, like me. I don't have a friend, so I'll just play on my own. But if you have a friend and they made the world, you can play with them. So I got a pineapple. Eating pineapple. Yay! So there you go. Thank you guys. Hope you liked the video and thanks. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.